first experiment using OpenCV. This is a lane keeping assistant which can be found in several modern cars. Lane keeping assistant is a tool to help a driver keep his or her car in the expected position on the road, usually in the middle of the lanes. So it is not a perfect autonomous vehicle system. In my system, the car will continuously evaluate its position compared to the lane lines. It tries to be in the center of the lane lines like most line keeping assistant systems. In a real-world situation, the driver will evaluate whether the car is doing LKA, and the driver can let the system do the driving, or the driver can opt to disable the system and drive manually. In my experiment, I put the car to do the drive continuously. I also added a voice command to dictate the car to move or stop. This is an ultrasonic sensor to stop the car if it senses an object less than 20 centimeters on the front. This is Lattepanda Delta computer as the computer system. Lattepanda has a Arduino Leonardo built in. This is motor driver module that can withstand about 40 amps, and this is a webcam so OpenCV can evaluate the road, and using old Kyosho RC car that does the job perfectly. Let's see some action. Forward. Stop.